Wait, don't say
start.
I'll chuck up the deuces.
We are gonna get.
She can play the game live.
Tell
them to bring hot friends.
203,000 million. 3,000 million views. Yeah. Because we're gonna beat Rebecca Black.
Wait, you're putting this on a good video start. Can I put my legs right here?
No.
Is it uncomfortable?
It is. No, it's kind of productive. Well, they don't know we're real.
Track me down.
No, they're not, Meredith. Meredith Ann.
Real Linda.
Haley! Go.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, no one really likes you though.
Today in French, French, I got free
popsicles,
pretzels
and
chips, kettle cooked ones. They were good.
I had popcorn too.
I didn't have popcorn.
It was really salty though. You know, salty popcorn.
She didn't eat popcorn.
Yeah, Pepsi. It is the Friday engineer school. Today at our school, it's the Friday before spring break, so the seniors, it's getting close, you know, the end of the year, they decided to pull a little senior prank. It was pretty awesome, so they ran through the quad naked. Now, it's usually called streaking, but it was pretty hot.
They had a little sock over their little...
They're ding-dong.
That was awkward.